Hello everyone, today I'm very honored to present my project called Cloudr Yahoo Finance in Python. I come from Taiwan. My name is Huang Liang Zheng. You can call me Michael. Okay, let's just quickly to launch that to introduce what I code right now. So I select main. I have the main function and the Cloudr function and the regular function and the draw and save this function all combined together. Okay, I just quickly hit that, enter that, launch that, and work in that. So I very quickly to open that while we save the file. The first file just after the Cloudr, and you can see from the first line to the 48th line, it's just spare line, it's useless. And the bottom line is useless too. So I need to clean that, I need a regular line. And most important of all, we didn't have the title. So we didn't know that each column means. We jump in the regular line, regular list, and we put in the title on the top. And then we clean that from the first for 48 and also the last line. This is a regular function to do. And then finally, because we want to visualize, I just put in, and this is final result. It's very obviously in the first phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Finish that, and the phase 4 we test, just like we learning from the CS50 Python as before. So we hit that. We got a 3 green line, so pass. This is the test we passed. Thank you very much for your time. And this is CS50 Introduction to the Programming with Python final project.